to 8 years of experience.
This
And
meeting is being recorded.
and out of that 7 to 8 years, I have worked for almost 6 years in Tableau and Power BI. Okay, so I have worked with different sectors like pharma, e-commerce, and some testing project also. So just this one is the small description about myself. So can you explain yourself?
Hey, my name is Naga. So right now I am working in the QA field.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to move something like exciting but not complicated. So I thought Tableau will be a go-to thing for me. So I started looking into the Tableau and trying to search someone who can give me a clear understanding and teach me and guide me with respect to my journey with the Tableau. So I thought I contacted this training SSIT and that's how
Mm-hmm.
we met.
Oh, nice. So yeah, Naga. So I'm just starting with you only. So what you know about Tableau?
So the basic understanding of me to have, so I am like mostly into the management right now, but I don't want to do the management so much. So the understanding of me as a Tableau is like it's a BI tool where the data is being, you know, sugar coated with things that business want to see and present it to them the way they want.
Okay, sure, Naga. I think you are correct. Okay, so I'm just starting with the today's topic. I can show you all those visualization what Tableau will do and what is the introduction about the Tableau. Okay, what the thing you can do it, why it come to the market, and why right now it is on the top of reporting tools. Okay, so yeah, so just I'm sharing my screen. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, are you able to see?
Yes, I can see your screen. Then.
Okay. So in the current scenario, means every company has a huge amount of data. Okay, and if you can look on this data, you can't give a appropriate analysis or some good output. Okay, so here like I can just give you one example. Like here is the huge amount of data. Okay, if you can see there are the 5,000 rows, and I think there are 26 around 10,000 records are there. Okay, if you can look on this data, you can't rectify okay what things they can describe us. Okay, or what output they can describe it. So for the business and for the company it is a useless. Okay, so here this Tableau will come into the pictures. Not Tableau, there are lots of reporting tools which can become, but out of all those reporting tools, Tableau is one of the I can say is more recognizing by the company and even the people. Okay, so here why what the benefits of the Tableau. Okay, if you can see that the Tableau can one of the easy user friend easy user visualization tool. Means secondly it was a drag and drop tools. Okay, so I can just show you one of the dashboard related with this. Okay, so here you can see it. Okay, are you able to see it?
I can only see your screen of the PPT.
PPT only. Okay, I can just reshare it. Don't worry. Now,
Yes, I can see that.
so whatever the data source I have shown you, okay, by the help of that data source, I have just created this visualization. Okay, so
Okay.
if you can see that raw data, okay, means I have told you that you can't means give some output from this one. But if we can convert this data into some useful visualization, which can be easily recognized by any person. If you can see this visualization, you can say, okay, this much is the sales, this much is the profit, how much you during this duration, how much discount has been given up. So all those things we can capture here, and by the help of this visualization we can easily say the insider information of the data to the business or to any company. Okay, and based on that they can also take some appropriate result or appropriate future futures expectation from this visualizations. Okay, so here means here the Tableau will come into the picture. Even if you can see the rating agency, okay, like Gartner has given us as a one of the top reporting tool to the Tableau. Okay, so I'm just coming with the different tool which Tableau has created. So if you can see, there are 5 different tools which Tableau has been created, like desktop, online, server, reader, and public. If you can consider these first two one, so this first two one is related with the creation purpose means what? Means like the developer or the user which who want to create this report, they can use these two tools. Rest for the publishing purpose. Okay, whatever the report which you have created, you can publish to these tools. Okay, and from there end user can easily see your reports. Okay, so like Tableau desktop, if you can talk about the Tableau desktop. Okay, so this one is completely related with the development part. Whoever the person who is just creating the report, they can use the Tableau desktop. Okay, and same, if you can see this Tableau reader, from the name only we can implement the reading purpose. For example, means here the desktop, if some person is taking the license of the desktop, they have to pay approximately $70 per user per month. Okay, and if some person want to see the reports, okay, and the same person is going to invest this much amount of money, they, it is useless. So in this case, reader will be appear. Okay, this will only help to see the report which you have created. Okay, you can drill down all those things, but you can't do any editing purpose. Okay, coming to this next topic, like public. Okay, so this one is the free tools which Tableau is providing. Okay, so here you can create the report. Here you can even in the public you can keep your report. Means in the public only you have to publish the report. Okay, so this one server is something like that. Okay, whatever the report you have created, you can publish it. You can say this Tableau server is somehow inbuilt server part in the company. Okay, so here you can see the comparison of Tableau public and Tableau desktop. Okay, so I have told you that there is price is $70 per month per user, and if you can compare with the public, it is free. Okay, so similarly, you can for publishing and saving purpose in the Tableau desktop, you need another server. Okay, or somewhere place where you have to store it. Okay, even in the Tableau online, you can going to store or Tableau server. But in case of Tableau public, you can directly going to publish in the Tableau public profile only. Okay, here main difference is that Tableau public has given the power to store up to 10 GB of your report. If you want to store more than that, then in that case Tableau public is not going to be supported. Okay, so these are the some basic difference here. Okay, so any question, Naga, from till right now?
No, I'm good.
So I'm just going for the next topic. So do you have any aware ki how much database Tableau is going to support? Any idea?
How much means what do you mean?
How much means number of databases, means like we have SQL Server, MySQL. So how much count
Uh,
they have feasibility to connect with it?
I know there are a lot of them, but I'm not particularly been know like how many are them.
Okay. So basically, if you can see almost each and every database, whatever it was there in the market, uh, they are easily connect with that one. Okay, I think more than 50 databases it can be easily connected. Even the snowflakes in the market, okay, that is also be accessible by the Tableau right now. Okay, so these are the some of the name which I have put here. Uh, so they can easily connect it. Okay, so next if you can see. Okay, so what the best thing with the Tableau, which why it will be help to the client. So whatever the report which you have created right now, I have show you here one report. Okay, so this one is the desktop version. Means whenever you can open this report, you can able to easily see this report in the desktop or in the system. But if some person has the mobile or tab and they want to see this report in their tab or the mobile, so is it feasible in Tableau? So yes, it is feasible. So one best thing is that it is easily been seen in your mobile phone, even in the tab, and that end user, or you can say as a business user, can easily see anytime from any place through their mobile or from their tab. For that purpose, you have in the initial only we have to create this visualization in your means uh, tab size or in your mobile phone size. Okay, so yeah so if you can see related with the Tableau, what are the file extensions? Okay, so Tableau have different file extensions. If you can see, there is TWB file, TWBX file. So there are total 8 to 9 different file extension which Tableau will provide. So what is the need of this file extension? Okay, there is any need. So do you have any awareness about this thing?
I mean, the extensions will define the kind of file that we are going to access. That's
Okay.
what I know. I mean, anything with respect to Tableau.
Okay, Tableau. So yeah, okay. So basically, their purpose is different. For different purpose, we are saving the file with the different extensions. Okay, like here .twb or .twbx. So what the basic difference between these two files? Okay, so just let me know. Just tell you, if some person has created the visualization and they want to send that visualization to some other person, third person, okay, who has the access of the data, okay, then that person is going to be converted that file into twb, Tableau workbook, okay, and then send it. Okay, so if they can send and the third person is going to open that file, they can easily able to see all those visualizations because they have the access of the data sources. Okay, but if there is some new person who doesn't have the access of their any of the data sources, okay, so in this case you have to create twbx file. Okay, this twbx file is what it is, basically the combination of visualization plus the data source which you have used for the creation of that visualization. Okay, so these are the basic difference between twbx and twb. Okay,
Okay.
so if you can, yeah, tell me, Naga.
No, I said okay. Yeah.
Okay, so if you can see like TDE, TPS. Okay, so means for example like TPS. If you can talk about TPS, Tableau preference. Okay, so for example like means you are creating the visualization for some particular company. Okay, that have some theme, some color combinations related with 2 or 3 color combinations. Okay, and you are creating the reporting or visualization for them, and that company or that client has told you that no, you have to use only this color. So means for that purpose you are using twps file, means you can create one template related with that particular color. Okay, and whenever it require you can open that template and just choose that color only. Okay, rather than you have to search all those color and then you have to put it in the report. So TPS is something like related with the color preference or the theme preference related with some particular company. Okay, like here .tde. Okay, so TDE means data extracts. Okay, I can leave this one. I can in the next few after 1 to 3 slides I can talk about this one. Then at that place I think you can easily understand this topic. Okay, so
Yeah.
there
But,
are.
sorry to interrupt, Prakash, but I thought this was a session where I'll understand what I am going to learn. What is the class structure? What are when the course is going to start and how it is going to go through and things like that. So this is like a demo class, I suppose. So I mean, I just want to get an outline of how our teaching will go. You got what I'm saying?
Actually, Naga, in this class, I think I can go with the overview of all those topic. Okay, I can show you means ki what the means how we can create the reports and all those
No, no,
things.
no. I got what you're saying, but uh, see, I don't know anything about it. If you just talk about it, then it will go over my mind. Like it just go off. I just want to understand, like, what will be the plan for us to go into the, you know, uh, in the classes. Like, what will be the plan? Like, for example, the first week, this is what we are going to cover. The next week, how many days are the, uh, how many days it will be, etc.,
Okay,
etc. Those sort of things are something that I'm looking for in this session. So.
okay, wait.
You know what I'm
Wait, Naga.
saying? You
Yes,
got
yes,
what I'm saying? Yeah.
yes. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure, sure, no worries.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, Naga. Are you able to see this screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So Naga, somehow this one is the plan. Okay, related with the topic which we can cover it. Okay. So these are the topics related with the Tableau which we are going to cover. Okay. So means if you can see means here from the introduction we I can start it means I can show you all those architect of Tableau. Okay, and whatever the different versions means from the earlier to till right now we are using it, I can show you. Okay, so after that I can right now also I have shown you this topic, what are the different tools of Tableau. Okay, so I can explain each and every topic individually. Okay, where we can use it. Okay,
Mm.
so okay, yeah. So after that, once we can move into this Tableau extension part. Okay, so basically these are the things. Rather than going to explain you, I can show you in the practical mostly. Means what this TWB or TWBX file basically. Okay, so in this one I can from here onwards I will going to show you each and everything through the dashboard only. Okay, what are the things like workbook, dashboard, or worksheet. Okay, so overall
Mhm.
whatever the topic I have here put it, so I can cover this topic within the 45 days, or you can say 45 hours. Okay, if there is need of anything extra, then I can talk for that also. Okay. So means
So 45 days is kind of a long. So is there something, for example, in the weekends, can we go like 2 hour class or something? Is that something possible, or we have to stick
uh,
for the 45 days?
no, means that thing we can discuss it later. Means it is based on
Okay.
the ability Naga. Means if means both we are available, then we can go for that. Nothing like that. But if due to some reasons, if someone is not there, then means means we have to go
Okay.
for
Okay. Sure.
negative. Okay.
So can you
Otherwise,
go? So you will give me like practical examples and like the access for the Tableau server or something like that. Uh,
um, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah, that's a good. So will I be able to access the Tableau server or anything like that, or how does it look like?
Tableau server, sure. Tableau server, instead of Tableau server, we can provide you Tableau online. Means I can able to create the account in the Tableau online. Okay, from where
Okay.
whatever the visualizations or means that dashboard you can create, you can publish it, you can check it, you can give the access to means some user, like means it is only for the trying purpose. Okay, means for learning purpose. So you can
Mhm.
create some user and you can means give the access to that place. Okay, so yeah, not the server but the online, it is similar to server only. Okay.
Okay, I mean, I don't mind. I just need to know like most of the part because you know how it will be, right? I'll be I'll be trying to crack the interview, so I just need to know the in and out of things.
No, of
And
course, Naga. Actually, whatever the topic here we have written it, I mostly I will do the practical of each and everything. Means whatever means like here is the components. So these are the dashboard components. Where this component is, what is the purpose of this component? Where we can use this component? Okay. So in which scenario we have to use this one? So all those things I can tell you. Even in the last, I can give you one data set and means I can expect you okay, that you can create some visualization, good visualization and means let me know okay means show me ki how means how the thing
then
is going
you'll
on.
be training me towards the point
Sorry.
that I'll be you'll be try you'll your training will be towards the point that we can be able to taking out the interviews and you'll help with the interview questions and things like that at the end, right? Is that something that I
uh
can expect?
yes, means interview questions I can provide you. Okay, means whatever the interview questions it was, so I can provide you that thing. Means means after the classes.
Mhm. Yes, yes. So let's go all the way to the bottom of this sheet once, if you don't mind.
Sorry, bottom, yeah, of course, of course. Why not? So here means like till these are the data connections. Okay, okay, how we can connect. I have told you there are more than 50 database which can be easily connected. Next topic is related with the join or blending. Means we have two different data sources and you have to take the data of both of them and they create the visualization. Then this joining or blending part will be come into these pictures. Okay, so I
Mm.
can cover it. After that, whatever the graphs, if you can see, Tableau has more than 24 graphs. So these 24s are the inbuilt graph, which we can easily be accessible from Tableau interface. But they are the sum of the different graph, like customized graph, which you have to create by the help of the existing graphs. Means like we have the line graph, pie chart. So by the help of the pie chart, you can create the donut chart that cannot be directly accessible to the Tableau. But I can show you how we can going to create the donut chart. Means if you can
Sure, sure.
okay,
Yes, yes, I got it. Let's go ahead with the next part.
yeah. So these are the different types of graphs here we can say as a, so like filtering. Means if you can see what is the order of filtering which can be work in the Tableau. Means what the sequence, I can explain you each thing. Means which type of filter where we can use. Okay, means on what purpose. So here is the different type of filter is there. Okay, means I have told means I can explain you in the sequential order. Means order of execution you can say based. So next one is the parameter. Means by the help of parameter, how can you control or give the access to the user that they can filter out the data. Okay, so
Mhm.
I can provide that thing. Means in the training section, I can create that parameter and show you how we can filter out the data by the help of parameter also. Okay. So next is like group and set. What is the difference between group and set? You can say. Okay. So means I have whatever the visualization I have shown you in this on that visualization I have used this group and set. Okay. So means it was easily understand by the means the person ki what is set and what is group. Okay. So after that means Tableau has lot of calculation fields. Okay. Calculation field means like date function is there, arithmetic operation is there. So means I can give you some of the example, not each and everything. When you can start, you can able to build it. So like whatever the function I have written here, I can show you okay what how we can create one calculated field, and that calculated field can how can we use in the visualization. Okay. So these are the some of the calculations. Okay. So next is related with the forecast. Means one is the best thing that Tableau is provided is that they can give the forecast value also. Means based on the existing data, means if you have to think some forecasting value for the next 3 years, next 3 months, we can easily means going to create that thing. Okay. So rest is this these points are related with the dashboard. So means I can I can try to cover up on that topic only. Okay. So yeah, so these are the topics basically means which we can going to cover in this one within a 45 working hours means 45 hours. Okay. Action filter is there, hierarchy is there. Okay. So means you are means this thing only you are looking out or
Yes, yes,
anything
these are
more
what I'm
which
looking for. Yes. Is there anything more to it? I don't know. You have to let me know.
no, I think whatever the topic which Tableau have means we are cover almost on this syllabus only. Okay, nothing
Okay.
like
So,
anything.
so the timing, right? If the timing looks good, then we can start it from tomorrow. But what is that? This timing is really hard for me because it's like 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock my time. So
12 noon, right?
12 in the noon, yes.
Till
No, this timing is really hard for me. So that's what I'm saying. So do you have any other time
I want to
slots?
know your work. No, means I want to know your working time. Means what
Oh, that is from 10 EST to 6 EST.
10 to 6. So what is your preferable
EST.
time?
Anything after anything, not anything that doesn't land in between that time, I am okay. Anything, pick your time. I mean, I don't want you to be like adjusting things, but you let me know your time based upon that. But that should not land in between this time, 10 EST to 6
10 to
EST.
6, right?
Yes, Eastern time.
Okay, wait a second. So what your preferable time? If you can tell me, then I can think about it.
I mean, even morning or night, I don't mind. I mean, I can take anything.
Morning
That's what
at
I'm saying.
what time?
Somewhere from 7 to 10 EST timing.
7 to 10 EST timing. Okay.
Yeah. Evening
Uh,
after 6 to night 10 EST timing.
even from like uh, if after 6 IST it is fine.
Okay, 6 IST is it's fine. It's fine.
After 6 IST, it is fine, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So
then I
6 to
think
9. Keep it between 6 to 9 around sometime that 6 IST to 8 IST is ideal. Sometime that time.
okay, then I think I'm good for that timing also. Okay.
Okay, perfect. So 6 to 7 or 7 to 8? What is the time?
Uh, Means I think you can talk with this.
Yeah, I will talk to them.
You can talk with them, or then they will inform you. Okay.
Okay, sure. Sounds good. Thank you so
Okay.
much, Rakesh. It's good to talk to you.
Okay. Anything from my side, Naga?
No, I'm good. I'm totally good. I'll talk to them. Thank you so
Okay.
much for your overview of what we are going to.
Okay, Naga. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You have a good night. Bye.
Yeah. Same to you. Bye.